Good morning from Wood Your Way. I'm here today to make my first video basically for my wood channel. Just starting to get it up and going again. Went to start it and I have had some health issues, problems in the family, and now I'm at a point in time where I can actually come back and have fun doing what I love to do. So from Wood Your Way, I'd like to come here today to invite you to start following my channel. Please hit the like and subscribe channel. I have a Monport laser that I got about 2 weeks ago. I'm having a lot of fun with it, doing various things. I also do woodworking out in my garage in the wood shop out there, doing little odd objects and things, hoping to have a lot of fun. I do some CAD programming, and I'd like you to join in, have some fun. Got any questions, ask me. I can help you with a discount with the Monport printers. I give you a code and you can get 6% off any purchases from Monport. They are a great printer. I've had a lot of fun with it so far. I had very little issues. I had some adjusting and things to do. I'd like to see a couple improvements made. But follow along. I'll let you know what I like to do and what I like to see happen down the road with them. So from Wood Your Way, my family to yours, happy Thanksgiving. Bye.